Hey, so today I thought I'd show you how to make or mint and then sell your very own NFT completely for free, literally within a few minutes. So for this you will need a MetaMask wallet. If you don't have MetaMask, just go to metamask.io, click download now, and you can install it as an extension in your Chrome or Brave or Firefox browser. It's super easy. Once you've done that, you will need to add the Polygon network to your MetaMask, because we're going to be using the Polygon network because it is free to mint NFTs on Opensea instead of Ethereum, which costs a lot of gas fees, etc. So to add the Polygon network, we will just Google Polygon MetaMask. I'll leave this link in the description. It's just a Medium article. Scroll down. This is the part we need. So in your MetaMask, just hit these three dots, go to expand view, make it easier. Click the networks up here, click add network. So for a name, we'll just put in Polygon. For the new RPC URL, we'll take this, paste it in there. Chain ID will be 137, currency symbol is Matic, and the block explorer URL is Polygon scan. All the information's here. Save. Now our MetaMask is connected to the Polygon network. Next, we will go to Opensea.io. On Opensea, you want to hit create at the top. Click on the MetaMask, and this will connect our MetaMask wallet to the Opensea website. Next, you're going to hit sign. And there we go. Now we're going to need an image or a GIF as an to create our NFT. So I'm just going to Google funny dog GIF. Let's go for the Shiba. It's always classic. There you go. What a happy doggo. Save image as. Now here we're just going to drag that image we just downloaded into here. Gonna call it something. Smiling Shiba doggo. You can put a link in there if you have a website or an Instagram or a Twitter or whatever. Provide description. You don't have a collection, so you don't have to do that. You could create a collection for this NFT to go in. That will probably be best if you want to make more in the same collection. You can give it properties. We're not gonna mess with all this, but it speaks for itself. Now in blockchain, we're going to hit Polygon, and we can increase the supply to however many we want. So this will be the number of copies that will be available. So let's do 5. Now we're just going to hit create. And there we go. We have our own NFT made and minted. Now to sell this NFT, you can just click on it. You can hit sell. We're gonna sell all 5 of them, and it'll say Ether here. So this is the Ether, the Polygon pegged Ether token. So this will still be. So if we put 0.01, that'll be $38, because 0.01 Ether is $38. But this will be Ether on the Polygon network, if that makes sense. This will be the Ether token on the Polygon network. So the duration, let's just keep it at 6 months. There are more options. You can reserve it for a specific buyer if you have one. There will be a service fee. So this means the listing of this NFT will be completely free, but once it's sold, 2.5% goes to Opensea. Now we're just going to hit complete listing. Click unlock. This will unlock the currency. Sign it in your MetaMask wallet. So if all 5 of these sell, we will have $191. Now click sign here. There we go. That's how simple it is to make and list an NFT for sale. You can now buy the smiling Shiba doggo on Opensea for 0.01 Ether in Polygon. Or on the Polygon network, I should say. And yeah, that's it. Leave a like if this helped you. Comment if you have any questions. I'm always open for a discussion. Have a good day. Cheers.